Hi, welcome to yet another section of Tarot Divinations. Myself, Dr. Khushbu Gulati, and today we'll be concluding our cup suit with the last two cards left in the cup suit, that is the Nine of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Okay, so just have a look at the Nine of Cups. What you can see, a person is sitting very satisfied, very happy, okay, and in a very pleasant manner. He has a lot of happiness on his face and a lot of contentment as well. And you can see the nine cups, okay, which are behind him. So it seems that he has everything that he wants, okay. This card basically means that a person is happy in the place where he or she particularly is, okay, and that person is very content, okay, in what he has in his life, he or she, okay, has in his life, and they are feeling like great, they are on cloud nine, and they are very happy, okay. And this card is also sometimes known as a wish card, okay. So this card, whenever comes up in a reading, and like you just and if you are wanting something in your life, okay, be it a place or be it anything for that matter, place, person, situation, finance, career, any particular job you want, any particular person you want to manifest in your life. So if this card comes up, okay, and if this card pops out, that means you are in like good luck, and that person which is your wish is coming true, okay, that your wish is coming to fruition. So this is a really good card to have, and you should be very happy if you get this card, because this card means that a wish is coming to be true soon, okay. So this is a very happy and a very positive card in general. And nine means it's nearing completion, okay. It's like yet not completed, but it's nearing completion, okay. Because ten will complete the cycle, okay. We will complete the cycle with the 10 of cups. So the 9 of cups is like a wish, fulfillment and contentment, happiness, and being in a state of perfect you have those things which you want in your life, okay. And if you are not having those things which you want in your life, and if you're wishing on those, then that means that that wish is to be completed soon, okay. Your wish will be granted soon, okay. So just have a look. So it's about sitting pretty pleasant as this person is sitting and just wishing. Essentially, you're being quite happy with how the way things are in your life, just appreciating all of these cups, but just sitting there and looking at things, that how fine they are, and things are good, things are okay. But it can also be a wish card, as I have told you. So if you're wishing for something, you're wishing for something to happen, you're wanting something in your life, so you are going to get that. So just be happy about that. But for the most part, this person is pretty happy with how things are at the moment. And nines, they're almost completion, but not quite, okay. Now moving on from the nines, we are going to the 10, okay, which will complete the cycle. So this is the 10 of cups. See, this is such a beautiful card, rainbow emerging from the sky with all these 10 cups. So 10 cups means that the that particular thing, whatever you are wanting in your life, it has reached its completion, it has reached its conclusion, okay. That is why 10 means the conclusion, the ending, okay. That now you are at a very beautiful stage in your life where you, whatever you wanted, it's like it's like with you, okay. And now you don't want anything else. You have a happy family, okay, and you have children, you have finances in order, you have a beautiful love with you, you have a house to live in, you have everything which you want, okay, which you want in your life. And this 10 of cups in minor arcana is also sometimes referred to as a soulmate card, okay. So if you are referring to a particular situation or a person, this means that that person might be your soulmate, okay. So just have a look at the 10 of cups. So this is the completion card, okay, because it is the 10, and this is all about, emotional satisfaction. This is about the emotional satisfaction that you are getting all what you wanted. Okay, your heart and your mind, they are fully aligned. Your heart is satisfied with the thing that you are that you have got from the universe. Okay, you are emotionally in alignment. You are emotionally happy and very, very satisfied. Okay. So, of course, for everyone, it would mean completely different things. Okay, for some people, they don't want a family, they don't want a relationship, they don't want children. So, again, this is very subjective to what is your 10 of Cups. Okay, whatever is important to you is basically your own version of 10 of Cups. So, if you want a career, and so that means if you get a 10 of Cups in your career situation, that means whatever you want, you will get it. If you are in a love situation, whatever person you are dreaming about or you are wanting to have in your life, you will get that. So it refers to different situations and different people, that what are their own perceptions of 10 of Cups. Okay. So for a lot of people, 10 of Cups is, wanting all that abundance, all that emotional satisfaction, that happiness, wanting marriage and children and that commitment. Okay. So if you pull that particular card, it means that there is that abundance that is coming your way, whatever your version is and whatever you believe your 10 of Cups is. It means that is coming towards you and it's going to bring you lots of joy, happiness, radiance, bliss, abundance. And it's like feeling very joyful and emotionally satisfied. And it can also mean a wish coming true. Okay, so it's that completion that has taken place with the 10 in terms of family, love, and joy in career and success in each and every aspect. It's a completion coming through basically. It's a completion in each and every aspect of your life. That whatever you wanted from life, whatever you wanted from the universe, whatever you wanted from the divine, you are going to get it. Okay, that is the coming of the 10 of Cups is is an evidence of that happiness, of that abundance, of that joy coming in your life soon. Okay, so this is what all the 10 of Cups is about, and I think we have completed the cup suit today with the 9 and the 10 of Cups. Okay, so just please have a look, guys. Just revise all the previous cards and whatever their meaning and the significance are, so that you don't get confused, and just have a proper look at each and every card. Okay, just go through the videos, and that's it for today. And in the next section, we'll be starting with the another set of suit, that is the wand suit. Okay, so we'll be starting with the wand suit in the next section. Until then, take care, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the notification bell for all the latest updates. And take care. Bye bye.